We are from Presentation Convent Higher Secondary School. My name is Stephanie Fernandez and I'm also part of Presentation. Today we are for the field trip / even assignment also. And we have visited many places and also going to visit more places. So, we have visited the Rivanna caves, known as also Buddhist caves, then Kazur, then rock arts also, and Kazur, and we have visited Budbure Tole. My opinion on this is that we get to learn more things about history, what happened and all those things, and it is for us better also, like we can understand more things. What we are getting today, others won't get, and what girl also says are almost on myth and all. We are understanding it, but what is actual we have not seen about it. We have visited also, we have seen in Duda Fator, there's a temple over there, there is a mand and who started all over it again, and we come to know about all these things by learning in today's field trip. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shine Pasha from Presentation High Secondary School, and we have for a tour for the 12th standard to a Rivanna cave and rock arts and fire temple. So in Rivanna cave we saw rock carvings that was rock cut caves that was built by the Buddhists, and it was very amazing to see the cave. It was so big and they had cut it in the rock with using a rock, and it's like a impossible thing for us if we were there in that place, and we learned many things from them. And we went in a place where they had used rock carving to make the zebu bulls, dancing women, and a woman giving a birth, and that's an amazing thing for us, because with a pencil we can't draw simple things, and they are using our rock tools to design a birth, a woman dancing, a zebu bull, a deer, and that's very amazing for me to see our ancestors did so much thing for us, and for our experience, it's like amazing experience I got from them. And we have here, it's a village, and we got to know about the Duda Fator, locally known as, and there are the rock animals. I hope you all come and visit these places. They are amazing. You have to visit it, guys. This is what our ancestors have left for us, and that's a pride for us to visit this kind of places. And I hope you all do that.
I'm Sister Zenia Cairo, and I'm teaching history at Presentation Convent High Secondary. I've brought my students to Sangya Taluka for a field trip, and we have visited places such as Pansali Mall, the Buddhist Rivanna cave. Then we have also visited the Budbure Tole, and lastly we have Kajur and the Mand, the places that were visited by our students, and they had a wonderful experience being in these heritage places of our state. For us, it was a wonderful experience because they connected it to their lessons that were taught in the previous class, and it was a wonderful experience for them. I give my grateful thanks to Mr. Cyril for accompanying us and helping us out in making this tour a wonderful experience for the students. So thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.